I'm so sorry about all of this. I'm like right by the window, and my window and the sunlight just don't want me to be great. They just don't want me to be great. Hey everybody, it's Nat coming to you with another video, and in this video I will be reviewing this unit that I made with Maxine hair. So if you're interested in seeing how this hair has been over the past 5 weeks, please stay tuned. If you haven't seen the previous video that I did about this hair, I will link it right up here somewhere. Please watch that video first and then come back to this video, and then things will make better sense. But I didn't make any changes to this unit. I just wore it how I constructed it from the beginning. It had little to no shedding. There was some shedding, but it wasn't a lot. All I had to do really was to put some serum on it about 2 to 3 times a week, and just because of the way I like my hair to look, and I didn't want the hair to get over dry. Also, over the past 5 weeks I have washed this unit 3 times, just because I like my units to look nice and fresh, you know. So it didn't lose its curl pattern or anything. It is just so nice and just full and bouncy. I didn't have any problem with the hair. So this is some hair that I really do recommend. I will put all the information down below so you can click right on it, and it'll take you right into the store so you can pick out what you want. Again, this is Water Wave. Excuse me. This is Water Wave hair. It's in the inches. 2 14-inch bundles, a 12-inch bundle, and a 12-inch closure. I didn't do any changes to it or anything like that, but I really do like this unit. I didn't have any issues initially when I made it with the hair not lifting. It lifted really well, and it didn't lose its curl pattern. I get a lot of compliments on this hair. The closure looks very natural. I did do some plucking to the closure to open it up just a little bit, but overall it looks natural. I mean, I think it looks very natural because it does look natural. When I did experience the little bit of shedding I did, I turned around and washed it and then put a deep conditioner in it. I just felt like it probably just needed some deep conditioning, and then once I did that, the shedding stopped. One thing that I do to help with keeping a curl pattern, when I wash it and condition it, I dry it upside down. So I turn my unit upside down so the hair is hanging, and then when I place it on top of a towel, and then I just kind of shift it around to where the curls just lay naturally, and I let it lay flat like that to drip dry so that the water can drip right into the towel for about, sometimes I do it overnight, but it only takes like a couple of hours, and then I hang it up on the hanger, like a skirt hanger or pants hanger. I clip it on there, and then I hang it up to let it dry the rest of the way, and it helps keep the curl. That's the way I do all my curly units, and it just really works for this hair. So I can run my hands right through this hair. It's not a problem. Again, I don't run my hands through this hair too much because I don't want to mess with the curl pattern or anything like that. But yeah, I have not tried to straighten this hair, because to me, I mean, if you get curly hair, it's for it to be curly, and if you get straight and want your hair straight, you get straight hair. Some people straighten the hair to try to see if it'll revert back. I did not do that to this unit. I'm not saying that I wouldn't do it to any of my units, but I didn't do it to this unit because I just really liked it so much, and I think I would just be really disappointed if the curls didn't revert back to this, you know, to this curly pattern. And once you do straighten it out, the ones that revert back, they don't revert all the way back. to the way they were in the beginning. I mean, you could just see it. It just doesn't revert back. But I didn't want to do that to this unit. So, I mean, it just feels really nice. And it doesn't feel like it's damaged. I got very little frizz. And if I saw any frizziness, like I said, I'll get a drop of serum. Rub my hands together, warm it up, and then just put it on there, put it through the hair, and that took care of that. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Please smash that notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. And until next time, peace and blessings. Bye.